In this video, we will use AND function with if function. We will use OR function combined with if function in our next video. Using both these functions is tricky. Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. If function is one of the logical functions in Excel. This function is logical because if function can give output given one or more conditions. If you want to understand the working of if function, please watch the previous video, link given in the description. Both OR and AND function are also logical functions. In this video, we will use AND function combined with if function. Let's open our previous Excel workbook. We have one table containing 10 students' marks in two subjects, subject 1 and subject 2. We need to find out who has passed in both the subjects. But which function to use? Do we need to use AND function or it is OR function? The selection of function is important. But the answer is hidden in the question itself. Let's take sample data from this table. If Smith has got 50 or more in subject 1 and 50 or more in subject 2, then Smith has passed both the subjects, else failed. The first keyword in this sentence is if and the second keyword is AND. So we need to use if function with AND function. But before going to the formula, let's briefly review the if function again. If function has three arguments: conditional checking, return if true, and return if false. If the output of conditional checking is true, then it will move to the second argument, that is return if true, and will ignore the third argument. On the other hand, if the output of conditional checking is false, then it will move to the third argument, that is return if false, and will ignore the second argument. Therefore, the output of first argument, which is conditional checking in if function, only provides the result as either true or false. So, what if we type true in the first argument in the if function without putting the actual conditional checking? Let's see. The output is A because it is the return if true argument or the second argument. Why this happening? Because the function gets the return from conditional checking part as true, and the if function will give output of second argument. I think you have understood the working of if function. Now, let us very briefly understand what AND function is. AND function returns true if all the argument returns true as shown in the small text as function information. Let's use it in our table. Select cell, type equal to, then and first bracket or hit the tab in your keyboard. It is asking for arguments, logical 1. Select cell C3 and type the logic which is greater than equal to 50. Note, it is again asking logical 2, a small information. You can provide 255 logical tests in this function. Select cell D3 and type greater than equal to 50. As we are working with the two subjects, that is two logical tests, we will close the function by putting closing bracket. Hit enter. G3 cell showing false because Smith has got 47 in subject 1 which is less than 50 and 89 in subject 2 which is more than 50. In this case, the AND function returns false for the first logical test but returns true in the second logical test. Smith did not pass both the subjects. But we know that AND function will return true if all the arguments or logical tests return true. Let's change the value of C3. Put 51. G3 output changed from false to true. Now We will use if function along with AND function. One more thing, if you need more information about AND or OR function, please watch the video on AND and OR function. Select cell G3, go to the formula bar, place the cursor after equal to sign, start typing, type if, put first bracket or hit tab. Notice the function information text are active and currently the conditional checking part is active, highlighting in blue color. We are now in logical test part of if function. If you move your cursor to right side using the right arrow key, you will notice that after the opening bracket of AND function, the function information text changed and it is showing the AND function's logical argument. We are now in AND function. Move to the end of the arguments. After the closing bracket of AND function, we again return to the if function. Function information text changed. Put a comma, then put double quote and type passed. Close double quote, then comma. Put double quote and type failed. Close the double quote, type closing bracket, hit enter. Double click the small plus sign or drag the handler till the end of the data. We have determined the students who has passed in both the subjects. Johnson has failed because he has got 72 in subject 1 but 32 in subject 2. This is how we use AND function combined with if function. Now for the next column where we need to find out who has failed in both subjects, every step is similar to the previous one except one small change. We will use less than sign within the AND function because we need to find who has scored less than 50. Let me show how I use these functions. You can also do this after few practices. I hope you have understood how to use AND function with if function. You can ask your questions in the comment section. For the next I column, you can guess we need to use OR function to get the desired data. I will use OR function with if function in my next video using the same table. Please like and click the subscribe button to get new free video notification in Excel. Thank you for your interest.